Super. And just to wrap up, there's a couple of things that you probably need before you can get going with any of the example workspaces that we've shared alongside these videos. You will need API keys to OpenAI and to Google Gemini. To get OpenAI keys, you need to go to openai.com and specifically the platform area. There you can register your credit card, you can add a little balance. I think the minimum is like $5 or $6. And then you should be good to go to really test out all of the different OpenAI services to your heart's content. And I think you'll be kind of pleasantly surprised how slow that balance goes down, because making calls, even 10, 20, 30 calls are really very cheap, whether you're using text or imagery within those calls. Google Gemini, you have to go either, basically end up going to AI Studio. The URL might be a little bit different to that, but don't worry too much. It's AI Studio, and just Google it and you will come across it. There they have the option of being able to have free tier. So you don't even need to necessarily put a credit card down. You can utilize Gemini services without paying anything, and you can just request an API key by clicking on Get API Key. When do you want to be able to run, I think, more than 10 or 20 calls to their services every minute? That's when you need to start paying and register a card and go through that process. But to get started and just have a little bit of a play around, there really is no barrier or cost associated to getting an API key for Google Gemini. And finally, just to kind of wrap up the course a little bit, there is a whole range of different AI learning, whether that be through some of the webinars that we've supported Safe Software on, of which there's a whole set of links below here. You'll also find some videos from our recent FME tour in Edinburgh, where David Eagle talks about the use of multimodal generative AI to help with classification and identification of imagery-based data, as well as text extraction. There are some nice resources on the FME website and, of course, in the community. So definitely have a look through some of those. And yeah, finally, if you're interested in FME training, so you want to do a deep dive into a lot of the FME and any AI topic, we offer a one-day course in total. It's actually spread over 2 half days. Here we really do a deep dive into utilizing not only the generative AI models that we kind of touched on within the skill booster, but also how to utilize and train computer vision models, utilizing services from RoboFlow to do that. So again, completely no-code approach to being able to train and classify computer vision models and integrate that into a workflow that works in partnership with multimodal models. So yeah, if you're interested in the FME and AI course, take a look on our website and you'll see some of the upcoming courses that are running. Lovely. Thank you very much for your time. And yeah, hopefully we'll run a few more skill boosters soon in a whole range of different topics. Hope to see you then.